Morning. Today we're going to be working on lesson 9-2 from first grade, and what you're going to find in this particular lesson is we're going to do some practice problems with word problems shopping at what they call the school store. The school store sells lots of cool stuff, and you can see on this poster that you should have in your packet, there's 2 pages to it, and there's a lot of different items that students can buy. It's a 2-page paper, so I'm just kind of flipping back and forth so you can see what those 2 pages look like. You can take those out of your binder if you need to. All right, hang on here. Let me figure out where we're going to go. And we're going to start with our math message. It might look a little different on your paper, but we're going to go ahead and start with Rutacy. R-U-T-A-C. Tell me what it means to me. Read, underline, think, attack, check, Rutacy. That's an exclamation mark. Okay, so let's go ahead and read together. It says, Marcos wants to buy a colored pencil for 29 cents and a crayon for 6 cents. Estimate whether he will pay more or less than 30 cents. How do you know? Record your ideas and solve. Okay, so I've read the problem. Now I'm going to go through with the underlined step. And remember, the first thing I underline is the question. And this one actually has 2 directions. They say we need to estimate whether he will pay more or less than 30 cents. 30 cents is a number, so I circle it. The crayon is a number, and 29 cents is a number. I'm sorry, the crayon is not a number, 6 cents is a number. So I have circled my numbers, underlined my question. Now I need a key word. And the key word I'm looking for here is and. And has a secret meaning. Usually when we see it, not always, but usually it means that we are going to add some things together. So I'm going to go ahead and start thinking about this for a second. Remember, we need to know where he's going to stand at 30 cents. That's our benchmark. Is it going to be greater than 30 cents? Actually, is 30 cents going to be less than what he spends, greater than, or equal to? I don't think it's going to be equal to. Well, let's look at our numbers, and we're going to think for a second. 29 cents is one of our numbers. And 29 cents is very close to 30 cents. It's only 1 penny away. And 6 cents is very close to 5 cents. Close to a nickel. It's 1 penny more. Ooh, I have a straight line. That was interesting. So if I add these together, I can tell right away whether he's going to spend more than 30 cents or less than 30 cents. Pause and think. If we actually add these together, we're going to find, sorry, when I put my hand on the iPad, it selects everything. Okay, it's going to be blue right now. When I add these together, 30 plus 5 equals 35 cents. Those were my estimates where I rounded, but 9 plus 6 equals 15. I carry my 1. 1 plus 2 equals 35 cents. And so in this case, when I estimated, we know for sure that he is going to spend more than. And that is our correct answer. We've checked it 2 ways. Our answer makes sense. And we can explain that he is going to spend more than because, I am sorry my work is so messy today, because 29 is close to 30. And he still wants to buy a crayon. So that is one way that I thought about doing this particular problem.